In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Chase employee credit cards to QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and linking your Chase credit card to it can save you time and effort by automatically importing transactions. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. And if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, look at the menu panel on the left side of your screen. From there, click on the option labeled Transactions. This will open up a new view where you'll see several tabs at the top. Select the one that says Bank Transactions. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says Link Account. Go ahead and click on that button. A new window will pop up with a list of financial institutions. Scroll through the list and find Chase Credit Card. Once you see it, click on that option. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Chase login credentials. Type in your username and password just as you would when logging into your Chase account directly. After that, you may need to complete some additional security steps. This could involve entering a one-time code sent to your phone or email, so make sure you have access to your registered device to complete the authentication process. Once you've successfully verified your identity, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the connection. Review the details and confirm to finalize linking your Chase credit card to your QuickBooks Online account. To make sure everything is set up correctly, navigate back to the Bank Transactions tab. You should now see the Chase credit card feed listed there. This means the connection is active, and your transactions will begin syncing. From here, you can start reconciling and managing your Chase transactions directly within QuickBooks. This will save you time and help keep your financial records accurate and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.